A principle I applied is the path of least resistance. What this means is that in order to reach your goal, whatever your goal is to do the steps that seem the easiest for you. So for example, if you're learning French, if memorizing the grammar, the tenses, trying to figure out how to conjugate like whatever subjunctive is making you feel resistant, you know, you don't want to do it, it gives you anxiety or whatever, you don't feel good doing it, then you need to find a different way in order to improve your level. So that could be, if we're talking about acquiring vocabulary and things like that, that could be maybe just watching movies, listening to music, reading books. That could be using an app that kind of teaches you how to conjugate or stuff like that, but in a more easy way or fun way. So whatever is easy and fun to you, you have to do it. When you feel resistance, not like, oh, it's too hard and I give up. No, just like when you feel like, oh, it doesn't feel good at all, then try a different way and you'll see that your level will improve faster. So remember, make it fun and enjoyable.